Do subscribe to our channel to learn about latest technology and check out our new inventions every week.
To run this project you need VAMP server. To download, visit no1express.com. From the menu, go to Software ID VAMP server, click the download button, and install VAMP server. Installing this software is a simple process. Just choose the location, click Next, and follow the instructions as per this video. And once you complete the setup, you will have VAMP server installed. The projects are ready to be deployed in your PC.
Hello guys, to download the project document, just visit navonprojects.com. Search the project name. Once you see the project page, click on it. Now click on Download Document. And you can download the project documents for free.
Admin logins using his or her credentials. Admin can add new tutor and update their details. He or she can add mock test and also download mock test. View parents' details. He or she can also view appointments. Tutor can log in using credentials. Tutor can add subject details and set budget. View appointed tutor details. View ratings and comments. Change password. Parents can register and log in using credentials. He or she can request a demo lecture. Request demo lecture and appoint a tutor. Parents can view demo lecture status. Can pay tutors using various payment options. Give ratings and add comments.